Already we have discussed before the 7 indeterminate forms of the limits. Okay, so today we are going to solve some more questions based on the limit. Like we have done 7 indeterminate forms, and if the limit, if they are in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then we can apply the L'Hospital rule, right? If the limit in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then we can apply L'Hospital rule. That we have already discussed. If consider some limit is given in another forms, like 0 into infinity, yeah, infinity minus infinity. So this one is given here. So we have to simplify by taking the common, yeah, by taking the LCM. Okay, simplify the function by taking the LCM. Yeah, do the any operations and try to convert it in form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Okay, then you can apply, if it's coming 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then you can apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. Now if you indeterminate from 0 to power 0, the 1 to the power infinity and infinity to the power 0. Okay, so this is 3 to 5 to 7 indeterminate we have here. So this one formula is given here. So take the log both sides, and simplify the expressions like whatever function is given. Simplify by using log property and convert it in form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, and then apply the L'Hospital. So these are the method to find the limit. Getting rid of trigonometric functions. So if given trigonometric function, so this one direct formula if you keep in mind, that will be easy to find the limit of trigonometric functions. Limit of x tends to 0, sin x by x. Yeah, limit x tends to 0, x by sin of x. Limit of x tends to 0, tan x by x, or limit of x tends to 0, x by tan of x. This all value is equal to 1. Okay, sin x and tan x, and this by x and this reciprocal. Always the value will become here. So directly we can put the values of, in the place of sin x by x is equal to 1. So our finding the limit from the another function, it will be easy to get it. Okay, like consider if example, if you given question here, limit of x tends to 0, sin of 5x by tan of 3x. So this formula is only applicable here. This value is not 1 only when x tends to 0 here. If x tends to any another values like pi by 2, yeah, theta given, yeah, some 2, 3 something given, so we cannot do. So here you can decide here this tan of this sine of phi of. Hello, you can't hear me? Can you hear me now? Functions. So the limit of x tends to 0, sin x by x, or x by sin of x, or limit of x tends to 0, tan x by x, or x by tan of given. So that one directly we can write the value is 1. Okay, so this one if you remember here, this formulas, so it will be easy to find the limit for the trigonometric functions. So like consider here when limit of x tends to 0, sin 5x by tan 3x. If you put it 0, it comes sin 0 is what? 0 and tan 0 is also 0. So 0 by 0 is there, you can apply the L'Hospital rule, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So sin differentiation is cos. That is 5 times of cos of 5x. And tan differentiation is secant square of 3x.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it.
And that is 3. So if you put it 0, cos 0 is 1. So it will become 5 here and this is 3 and sec 0 is also 1 only. So
yes,
you get 5 by 3. So this is one method you can find it. Or if you know this properties, then you can do it by second method here like this. Limit of x tends to 0, sin 5x by tan 3x given, right?
Yes, sir.
And we know that here x tends to 0 given here. So this is 5x. So you could divide with 5x. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And multiply with 5x. Value will not change. Right? But this value
Yes, sir.
sin 5x by 5x becomes 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in the case of tan 3x, we know that x by tan 3x also is what? 1 only. So you can multiply here 3x and divide with 3x, value will not change. So this formula, this one if we use it, that also becomes what? 1 only. So limit of x tends to 0, it will left only 5x and 3x. Okay? So this x is cancelled here, we get it 5 by 3.
Yes, sir.
So this is another way to do it. Limit of x tends to 0, tan x minus sin x divided by sin of q of x. This one. Okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
here what you can write it here. Sin qx given here 0 if you do it here. Tan 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0. And this one is sin 0 also 0. 0 by 0 you get it.
0 format. Okay.
So
Here L'Hospital rule.
So here if you want to, you can do it by differentiation of sin q, you can do it. Otherwise you can multiply here divided by x3 and multiply by x3 you can do it. Okay. So you know that this value will becomes 1 only, right?
Okay, yeah.
Because you can write sin of x by x to the power 3. And that
Yes,
value already I told here, this value will become 1 here. 1 to the power 3 is what? 1 only. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So our question becomes now.
Yes, sir.
This one if you do, some questions will be more easy to simplify. This one becomes x cube. Still this is 0 by 0 only. So now differentiation becomes easy. Tan differentiation is secant square of
x. Sir.
Minus sin differentiation is cos x. By this is become 3x square. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 0, sec 0 is 1, cos 0 is also 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is also 0. So again if you differentiate, secant square differentiation 2 secant of x into secant square differentiation 2 secant x and second differentiation
2 second. Okay. Yes, I got it.
Minus cos differentiation is
minus cos x sin. Yes, sir.
Divided by 6x.
Oh, okay. So yeah. Got it. Understood.
Now if you write it here, 0 you put here, so this becomes 0. Sin 0 also 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So again 0 by 0 forms. This one I can write it differentiation, but just we have to order it. 2 secant square of x into tan x I can write it, right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Plus, this one you can divide it by 6x if you write it. And
got it.
And this one you write plus sin of x by 6x. Right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So now you know that tan x by x is what? 1 here.
Yes, sir.
So only left will be here 2 secant square of x by 6.
Sir, I can't. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, I can't see your screen, sir. Can you like cancel and share again? It's like blank.
Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's
now
so it was visible to the last. Yes, sir. Now I can see.
tan x by x is what? 1 here, so it will be
1.
2 secant square x by 6. And is this one also sin x by x is what?
Sin x by x. 1.
So if you write it 0 into set 0 is 1.
Yes, sir.
So this is 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That is 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2 will get the answer.
Yes, sir.
So if you know this property, it will be easy to get it result.
Okay, sir. Okay. So I'll copy this, sir.
Question given here like limit of x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x cube divided by sine of cube of x.
Yes, sir.
So here also you can multiply with x3 and divide with x3. This becomes how much? 1 only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And keep in mind only when limit of x tends to 0 is given, then only you can do it.
Okay, then only we can use this sin x by x 1.
So this becomes log of 1 plus x cube divided by x to the power of 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is, you put it 0 here, so log 0 is, you will get it log 1. Log 1 is 0 by 0. So you can apply the Hospital rule, limit of x tends to 0. This becomes 1 by 1 plus x cube into 3x square, right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 3x square. Getting this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now here 3x square, if you take this and this part will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So if you put it 0 here, that is 1 by 1 plus 0. That is what 1.
Okay.
1 is the answer. So if you do this log, this trigonometric property will be easy to find out any type of trigonometric functions.
Okay, so the technology property is easier. Okay, sir. I'll copy it, sir.
Given limit of x tends to 0, like a power x plus b to the power of x plus c to the power
Yes,
of
sir.
x by 3 to the power of 1 by x given.
Yes, sir.
So now this one if you put it here, limit. So this a power 0 is 1, this is also 1, this is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 by 3 is what? 1.
Yes,
And
sir.
1 by 0 is infinity. So this is 1 to the power infinity, which is this form, right?
Yes, sir. 1 to power infinity form.
This format is there.
We have
So
to
we
take
have to take
okay,
a
log
log.
on both sides.
So when I zoom it here, this is the k here. So we'll
Yes,
get
sir.
the log both sides. So become log of k here, and this one becomes here limit of x tends to 0. Log of a power x plus b to the power x plus c to the power of x minus log 3 I can write it divided by x I can write. Okay, because this 1 by x will come down here. A log of m by n I can write log of m minus log of.
Okay, okay.
So now if you put 0 here, this is log 3 minus log 3. 0 by 0 will get it.
Okay, now we can do the alphabet.
So log of this one differentiation, log of anything is 1 by y power x, b power x plus c power x.
Yes.
And inside differentiation, a power x differentiation is a power x log of a plus b power x log of b plus c power x log of c. Right?
Yes,
log
sir.
3 differentiation is 0. So this is constant. Divided by x differentiation is 1.
Yes, sir.
Now if you put it 0 here, so you'll get it 1 by, this is a power 0 is 1, 1 and this is 1. 1 by 3 will get it. And this
Yes,
one will get it a power 0 is 1, this is log of a plus log b power 0 is 1 log of b plus
Yes.
log of c. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is equal to log of this is k. So log
Yes,
of
sir.
k is equal to, I can write it 1 by 3, and this is the log of a plus b plus c. I can write log of abc.
Yes, sir.
And that also we can write it log of k is equal to log of abc, this one to the power of 1 by 3, because log of a to the power m is m log a, right?
Correct, sir.
So it can
Okay.
you can eliminate log here, so k will be equal to abc to the power of 1 by 3. So this is the answer here.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Limit of x tends to 0,
Yes, sir.
1 plus sin x to the power of cos x. This one is given, okay?
Yes, sir.
So here you put it 0, sin 0 is what? 0. So 1 and cos 0 is what? Infinity. Cos 0 is tan,
Yes, sir.
cot is what? 1 by tan. Tan 0 is 0 here. So 1 by 0 is what? Infinity becomes.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by infinity forms is there. So what you have to do? Take the log both sides. Log of k is equal to, I can write it, limit of x tends to 0. Okay, cot of x
Yes, sir.
into log of 1 plus sin x, right?
Yes, sir.
So to make it 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity, log of 1 plus sin x we cannot do anything, but cot of x I can write it divided by tan x I can write it, because we know that cot is what? 1 by tan x.
Yes, sir.
So sin 0 is 0, log 1 is 0, and this is also 0. So 0 by 0 cot x can write. Anyways, we have to bring it by simplifying 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity.
Yes, sir.
So here now if you apply the L'Hospital rule, you write 1 by 1 plus sin x,
Yes,
and
sir.
sin x differentiation is cos of x, and tan differentiation is secant square of x, right? So now
Yes,
if
sir.
you put 0, so you will get it 1 by 1 plus sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, sec 0 is also 1.
Okay,
So
sir.
you get it
Yes,
1
sir.
only, right?
Yes, sir.
Log of k is equal to what? 1. So
Okay,
k is equal to, I can write e to the power of 1.
Okay,
Right hand
fine.
side it will 1, that will becomes k. Okay,
Yes,
e
sir.
to the power of 1.
Yes, sir. Got
So
it.
the e power 1 is a constant here, so this is the answer. So now
Yes,
this chapter
yes,
is
I
finished.
understood.
So now we are going to do the continuity and differentiability, which I have already discussed before.
Yes, sir.
Continuity, the limit of x tends to a minus f of x, and limit of x tends to a plus f of x and f of a. Okay, all three are same, then is said to be continuous, right?
Yes, sir.
If not same, then is discontinuous. If these both are same and finite and not equal to f of a, that is called as discontinuity of first kind. Okay, that we
Continuity
have
of, sir?
first kind,
Okay.
that already we have discussed in the last class. So first kind and second
Okay,
kind.
we did that. Yeah, correct, sir.
So now the question is given here: determine the k. For the function f of x is equal to sine of 5x by 3x if x is not equal to 0, and if given value is k if x is equal to 0, is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, so this is function is continuous at x is equal to 0, so we can write it here: limit of x tends to 0 minus f of x, and limit of x tends to 0 plus f of x, and f of 0. All three will be the same only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So limit of x tends to 0 minus, which function to choose? 0 minus means it is not equal to 0, this one is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Sine of 5 of x by 3x. 0 plus, if you choose the same function, so we get the same value, so no need to do here. F of 0 is equal to k. This value should be equal to f of 0,
Yes, sir.
right? That is k. So if you
Yes,
try
sir.
to find the limit here, this one already you know. This one if you multiply 5x and divide it This value I can write it 1
Can
only.
you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sin 5x to 5x will be 1, sir.
So you can write limit of x tends to 0. That is 5x
Yes, sir.
by 3x
Is equal to k.
k. So x is cancelled here. So you
5
get
by
it here
3.
k is equal to 5 ampere. Next question. If f of x is equal to sin x by x plus cos of x when x is not equal to 0 and 2 when x is equal to 0. So that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay. So limit of x tends to have to find it first 0 minus, right? 0 minus is to choose the function sin of x by x plus cos of x. So this becomes 1 only, right? This becomes 1, right? Sin x by sin x. And cos 0 is 1.
Yes, sir.
So cos 0 is also 1, that becomes 2. Limit of x tends to 0 plus if you put it, then also this is the same function you have to choose. This value also will get it here what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 only. And f of 0 also is given 2 only. So all three are same. Limit of x tends to 0 plus f of x. All three are
Sir, can you
same.
hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, when I was speaking, I think my mic was on.
Then f of x is continuous
Continuous
at x is equal to 0. Getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting.
Do it this one, then after that we'll go to the differentiation.
Okay, sir.
Is like any function if you given here,
Yes.
y-axis and this is x-axis here. So here this is slope. Okay. So slope is called as dy by dx. Okay. That is what
Yes,
slope. That is called as also same as when you study in the coordinate geometry. Formula is y2 minus y1 then x2 minus x1.
Yes, sir.
And same in the trigonometry we study tan theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, right? So all three meaning is same here. This one you have to study in the calculus. This is the coordinate geometry and this is the trigonometry. So here we are discussing the calculus here. Dy by dx is called as differentiation.
Yes,
here. A function is said to be differentiable if first condition should be continuous.
Okay.
It should be continuous.
Okay, that's the first condition. It should be continuous.
And second is what? No sharp turn.
No what, sir?
Sharp turn. Like this function is what? Like this one is given here. This is sharp turn is there. So this function is not differentiable at this point.
Okay.
Yeah,
Not
this
sharp
function,
turn.
this kind of modulus function given. This is sharp turn here. It should be a smooth turn here. Like if you given here turn here, like it should be smooth turn here. Then it's said to be differentiable. So limit of x tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a
Yes.
divided by h. This one if it exists mathematically, then is said to be function is then said to be f of x is differentiable. So this one already we have studied in the 11th class differentiation by the first principle, right? So now
Yes,
here
sir.
we are doing which based on the formula here. Some basic formula you have to keep in mind. Differentiation of constant terms, okay, is equal to 0. Where
Yes.
c is constant.
Got it.
Differentiation of dx by dx. Okay, x is equal to what? 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Differentiation of x to the power of n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Differentiation of e to the power of x differentiation. E power x is the exponential function that is same on e power x. Differentiation of log functions, log of x with respect to x, that is also 1, that is 1 by x.
Okay, sir.
Differentiation of a to the power x differentiation is a power x into log of a. Differentiation of sine of x, trigonometric function, is cos of x. Differentiation of cos of x with respect to x is minus sine of x.
So 1 second, sir. I just changing my network. I'll leave enjoy the meeting.
This differentiation of tan x is secant x into tan x. Differentiation of secant square of x is tan x. So this one also, if you basically know that will be enough to do the basic type of differentiation. Remaining all we will derive it in the coming chapters. Then we will come to know. Properties here. Differentiation of any constant terms and f of x, we are differentiating it here. Okay, where c is the constant here. C you can take outside and you can differentiate only f of x with respect to dx. Okay. Similarly, if we given two functions, f of x and g of x, so we can split it separate and we can differentiate. Same thing applicable for the negative also. Negative is given, you can split it separate. But here, if two function is given in term of product f into g, so you have to apply the product theorem where f is a constant here, you have to assume and differentiate g, plus g you take as a constant and differentiate f.
Yes.
Okay. And another is what last one is quotient rules when f by g is given. So right here g into d of f by d of x minus f into d of g by d of x divided by g square. So these are the four properties when given in the algebraic forms. You can explain it. Differentiate ax plus b with respect to dx. Okay. So what I said here, the plus if given, you can split separate, right?
Yes, sir.
Ax and plus differentiation of b with respect to dx. So a is the constant here, so we can take outside. This is dx by dx, and this is the constant here. A and b is the constant here, so this constant differentiation is 0. A into dx by dx, already we know that is 1, so we can write only a. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if we given y is equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 5, so we can write dy by dx is equal to 3 into this x square differentiation is 2x, right? 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 2 is a constant here, x to the power of 1 minus 1 minus 5 differentiation is 0. So you write this is 6x plus 2 and this is what x power 0 is 1. So 6x plus 2. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if given here y is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by 3x plus 2. So there are u by v formula you have to apply. Okay? So
Got it, sir. Got it.
So f, this is f and this is g. Yeah, right, this is u and this is v. So u by v formula I have explained. That is what v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square, right?
Yes, sir.
Where u is 2x plus 3 and v is 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 as it is only, u differentiation is 2x plus 3 differentiation is 2.
Yes.
Minus 2x plus 3 as it is only, and v is 3x plus 2 differentiation is 3. Divided by 3x plus 2 whole square. So if you simplify this one, you write 6x plus 4 minus 6x minus 9 divided by 3x plus 2 whole square.
Yes.
So this one also you can cancel it here. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 by 3x plus 2 whole square. This is the answer. Any doubt in this?